Hi students, good morning. I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to see a new lesson, Exploring Space. Earth, the desolated home. What do you mean by desolated? Do you have any idea? Let's learn. What do you see in this image? This is an image of an earth. Both are the images of earth. What is the difference between these two images? In this image you can see clean water. There are a lot of fishes in the land. There are a lot of trees, grasses, people are there. But in this image what you can see only the earth. Even the water is so much polluted. See, in the land there is no green at all. There are no trees, only land is there. So there are no living organisms. Not even a single living organisms live here. So this is called as desolated. Desolated means loneliness. Here all living organisms are there, but in this image not even a single living organisms is present. So this is called as desolated. Desolated means lonely. See the spelling of desolated, D-E-S-O-L-A-T-E-D, desolated. Desolated meaning lonely, L-O-N-E-L-Y, lonely. Is it possible that earth gets desolated? Why earth gets desolated? Yes, there are many reasons. First, deforestation. Because of what I mean by deforestation, what do you see in this image? You can see only the trunk of a tree. There is no branches. There are no branches. There are no leaves. There is no flower. Only you can see the trunk. So cutting of trees is called as deforestation. Next, pollution. The smoke that come from the factories, the smoke that come from the vehicles, water pollution. Because of these are only a few reasons, but there are many more reasons. Due to these factors, earth get polluted. As the earth get polluted, it becomes an unfit place to live. So people started to suffer a lot. Nowadays we are buying oxygen. See, as we cut trees, result of this, we have started to wear oxygen. We are started to buy oxygen. See here, we are wearing mask. We are wearing oxygen with us. Because of what? Because the earth became an unfit place to live. Now this is year 2021. The story goes to 2068. As the earth becomes unfit to live, the people in the earth started to move to Mars. Mars is the next planet to the earth. Mars is a red planet. In the year 2068, people started to shift from earth and they got settled in the Mars. Human destroyed the earth. They started colonizing the red planet Mars. Colonies means what? And colonies of ants means what? A group of ants. So colonies means a group. People started to live as a group. There are three colonies in the Mars. Assume this is the first colony, this is the second colony, and this is the third colony. The distance between each colony is 1500 kilometer. The distance between each colony is 1500 kilometer. And Arivumadi is a girl who lives in the first colony. Assume that she is living in the first colony. She lives in one of these colonies, and let us assume that she is living in the first colony. And she is living in the Mars. Today is her birthday, and she was sleeping in her capsule. On the last class we learned what is a capsule. A capsule is a small cylindrical shaped bed. She was sleeping in her bed, and it's her birthday. Her grandfather visits on her birthday. And she was surprised to see her grandfather. because she thought that her grandfather will not come because of the dust storm. What do you mean by storm? Storm means puel, a disturbance of the atmosphere marked by wind or heavy rain. In Mars, there is always a possible for dust storm. There is always possible for dust storm. When dust storm comes, people can't move from one place to another. So Arivumadi thought that because of dust storm, grandfather will not come for his birthday. But this time there is no dust storm. So grandfather visited her on her birthday. Still, it took three souls to reach Arivumadi's colony. What do you mean by 3 souls? 3 souls means 24 hours, 39 minutes and 35 seconds in Mars. In Earth, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and in Mars, 3 souls means 24 hours, 39 minutes and 35 seconds is equal to 1 day. After that, Arivumadi and her grandfather had some conversations, and grandfather insisted her not to waste time. They went to harvest the vegetables. What do you mean by harvest? Harvest means cultivate. Cultivate the vegetables. But in Mars, there is no sand at all. How will they harvest the vegetables? In the vegetation hub, they will harvest the vegetables. A vegetation hub is an artificial place to harvest vegetables. So students, in today's class, you have learned many new words. First word is desolated. Desolated means lonely. Desolated means lonely. Desolated means lonely. See the spelling, D-E-S-O-L-A-T-E-D. Desolated. Lonely. Second, deforestation. See the spelling, D-E-F-F-O-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Deforestation means cutting of trees. Cutting the trees is called as deforestation. Vegetation hub means an artificial place to harvest vegetables. What is a vegetation hub? Vegetation hub means an artificial place to harvest vegetables. Capsule, you have learned the word capsule in the last class itself. So students, you will learn all these new words and write each word for 3 times. Thank you students.